In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the logo on your Xero invoices bigger. Adjusting your logo size can be crucial for maintaining brand visibility and making sure your invoices have the professional touch you desire. Whether you're a small business owner, accountant, or a finance manager, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's begin by selecting your organization from the Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the upper left corner of the screen and click on your organization name. This will enable you to access all the relevant settings for customization. Next, navigate to Settings, and from there, proceed to Invoice Settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the invoice branding themes available for your organization. Identifying the theme you're currently using is essential, as this is where the changes will reflect. Once you've located your current theme, click on Options followed by Edit. Now scroll down to find the Logo section. This is where you'll be updating your logo. Click on the Upload Logo button, which paves the way for enhancing your invoice's visual appeal. The next crucial step involves choosing a larger, high-resolution version of your company logo from your computer. A recommended size for your logo is between 400 and 800 pixels wide. This range ensures your logo looks crisp without overwhelming the rest of the invoice details. Remember, for the best results, the file type of your logo should be a JPG, .png, or .if format. After selecting the right file, click on Save to make sure all your changes are captured. To verify that everything looks just right, navigate to Business, then Invoices, and finally click on New Invoice. Creating a sample invoice using your updated branding theme allows you to see the changes firsthand. To ensure that the new logo size is precisely how you want it, you can click on Preview or Print PDF. This way, you can assess the aesthetics of your invoice and make any necessary adjustments. In the event you're using a customized document template, go back to Settings and access Invoice Settings once more. Here you'll find the option to upload a docx template. Open the document to adjust your logo size directly, and once you're satisfied, re-upload the revised template back to Xero. Following these steps should ensure your company logo is the perfect size on your invoices. This not only enhances your brand representation, but also brings a professional polish to your billing process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.